Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode in Google Drive. Using dark mode on Google Drive helps save battery life and it's easier on your eyes, especially when you're working late at night. So let's start the video. Open Google Drive. After opening the Google Drive, click on the setting icon at the top right corner of the screen. Here it is. Click on it and go to setting from the drop down menu. After opening the settings, under appearance, choose dark by clicking on the checkbox next to it. So here it is. Now you can see Google Drive is set to dark mode. That's how to make Google Drive dark. That's all about it. So thank you for watching. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please consider to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.